Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2009 BMW 328i maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button over here at the cluster and these buttons over here. Use the up and down and the BC for enter, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice without your foot on the brake. Now make sure you are at the temperature and the clock, and now go ahead and press this button right here twice and hold it on the second time. 1, 2. Now let go. Now go ahead and use the up and down arrow to go find whatever you want to reset. And today we doing the service, so we go ahead and go to the oil can. Now you press the BC button once, and then now press reset again. Actually, I'm sorry, press the BC button until you see the word reset, and press the BC button again, but this time hold it. Okay, now let go, and it will do its job. And there you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.